Welcome to Gokarna Beach Trek. Gokarna is a town which is home to pristine beaches by the Arabian Sea in the southwest Indian state of Karnataka. We took an auto ride at 7 am from the resort, which dropped us at the start of our beach trek at Belekan Beach. We started out this unique beach trek in India without a guide, covering 5 beaches across different terrains in 5 hours. The initial path was full of uphill climb, bushes and thorns. We thought we were lost a few times, but there were signs, footmarks and sound of waves hitting the rocks we followed to reach the second beach of the trek, the Paradise Beach. More than 30 minutes after the start of the trek, we reached the Paradise Beach at 8 am, where we were welcomed by a furry friend. After a short break, we were back on track to the next beach. The scenic views on this stretch were just unbeatable. After a hard climb, we reached Full Moon Beach at 9:15 am. We had a soul-filling breakfast at a shack in this beach, which can only be reached by a trek or by a ferry. The break was much needed to rest our tired legs and get some nutritious food inside us before heading off to the next leg of the trek. Just when we thought we had covered the best part of the trek, we came across more beautiful scenic viewpoints. This scenic walk led us to the fourth beach of the trek, Om Beach. Om Beach is named so because it is naturally shaped like the auspicious Om symbol. It has a few shacks and eateries, and also boat services to other beaches. After leaving Om Beach, we started walking towards the steps opposite to the Om Beach's entrance, which led us to the last stretch of the Gokarna Beach Trek. This was one of the most memorable treks we had done. It was challenging and adventurous. Proper trekking shoes is a must. Best to carry plenty of water to quench your thirst and some snacks to give you some energy. The Gokarna Beach Trek comes to an end at the Kudle Beach, after which we headed back to the resort. Thank you for watching.